Ona, LA. All the way to LA. Wow. Nice to meet you, Korra. Wow, I got your documents. Oh my God. Wow. Your house. So let's go.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Hey, the champ.
Sit. So, let me first show you the first one is the deed of contract of sale.
Oh my gosh.
The owner had already signed, so we have to sign
I'm a busy mother.
No.
My signature.
That is witness. You signed here.
Okay.
So maybe good. Then this is the second one. Later your witness is going to
Let's see the name there.
This is the name. In Lagos State. Contract of sales. Of assignment.
Oh my God.
So
What is this seal?
this is acknowledgement of receipt of deed of assignment
On behalf.
on behalf of Obidi Anita Chukwufunanya. So I got the acknowledgement from you on the 17th day of July. So this seal is to show that a solicitor's seal is there. It is authentic.
And this is cash.
This is cash. So
But cash.
Cash, madam.
I'm going to the signing page with
Oh my God.
signed, sealed, and delivered by the within named assignee. You sign here, this will be your witness. So this is the seller, Patrick. Then this is where the governor consents to. In case you want to do governor's consent. So the second copy, because we are taking back a copy to
Real talk, aka
Yeah, you know,
Big Chef.
I'm the best realtor in Lagos.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, wahala be like bicycle. I know that many of you go don't miss me. Oh, say, well, Lady J not come again. Not be my fault, my people. Ew, not be my fault. Oh, I'm busy. Oh, I just did a little bit busy and a little bit stressed out, but everything will be okay very soon. You know, so I cause So my people, this video when I want to talk about today now about Korra. Mona help me congratulate her. She's now a big house owner for Nigeria. Not be even for the way for very happy for America. This one for Nigeria. Make una congratulate and for me, I am so happy for her. They say if you're happy for people, your own will still come. You understand? People will still happy for you. So Mona help me congratulate her for comment section. I am so happy for her. So happy for her. She's not a house owner. If she go to Nigeria now, she no go longer stay sister house. She go only go there, go visit her. Now she get her own apartment. Hey, oh big apartment. So this video not go too long. Mona help me congratulate her. I am so happy for her. I am so happy for her. They say happy for people so that they will still happy for you. That girl a strong woman. You know the kind of strongness which she gets, and I want make God to give me. Upon everything she passed through, upon everything, she not still give up. That is one thing I love about her. She never give up. She was still pushing, even they demonetize her, the ex-husband, do so many things to her, but she never give up. That is one thing I love about her. She make sure say she do am. She make sure say she see the push. She see the push. That man tried to frustrate her. He tried to do so many things to her, but God say no. You understand? I am so happy for her. I am so happy for her, you know. So happy for people where they happy, more with people where they more, you understand? So I am so happy for her. Mona dream me, congratulate her. And it's not easy. Yeah, it's not easy, eh? If you say easy, maybe you bring it all. Not easy, oh. I am so happy for her. So thank you everybody. Please help me to share this video. Let the video go.
Ona, LA. All the way to LA. Wow. Nice to meet you, Korra. Wow, I got your documents. Your your house. So let's go.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Hey, the champ.
So let me first show you the first one is the deed of contract of sale.
Oh my gosh.
The owner had already signed, so we have to.
I'm a busy mother.
No.
My signature.
That is witness. You signed here.
Okay.
So maybe good. Then this is the second one. Later your witness is going to
Let's see the
sign.
name there.
This is the name. In Lagos State, contract of sales of assignment.
Oh my God.
So
What is this seal?
this is acknowledgement of receipt of deed of assignment
On behalf
of Obidi Anita Chukwufunanya. So I got the acknowledgement from you on the 17th day of July. So this seal is to show that a solicitor's seal is there. It is authentic.
And this is cash.
This is cash. So
Both cash.
Cash, madam.
I'm going to the signing page with
Oh my God.
signed, sealed, and delivered by the within named assignee. You sign here, this will be your witness. So this is the seller, Patrick. Then this is where the governor consents to, in case you want to do governor's consent. So the second copy, because we are taking back a copy to...
Real talk, aka
Yeah, you know,
Big Chef.
I'm the best realtor in Lagos.
Authentic real property. Not the
Dynamic
same them say my
realtor.
class say, my uncle say, what? But I don't see my signature. Make
So you're a landlady in two different continents.
How'd you feel? You don't have to stay in anybody's house when you come to Nigeria. You gotta stay in your
If you like,
house.
lock it up. Just lock it. That's your apartment, man. This is a different. Wow, this is epic.
So this is another design. You understand?
Yes.
So that she may not say she's not even buying anything. I
Yes.
If she wants.